All right, prime time. Here's the video to randomize our regions for tonight's Ultimate Platinum Jersey Break. We will check the time as February 6th at 5:22 p.m. We're going to go over to the break and type live. And we have February 6th at 5:22 p.m. Here's our list of 30 regions. We're going to randomize the region list and hold on a second, somebody's talking to me. All right, we're going to randomize the region list, and then whatever regions pop up, we'll match this back to our, wow, I'm just out of it here. We're going to match this back to our entry list to determine who gets what regions. Okay, so we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. There's 7. All right, 7 times. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. There we go. So we'll get this list posted. You guys can trade regions only. Please do not trade teams out of the regions. And then we'll see you at 8 for the break.